Hello guys, it's TessyE here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, All Things TessyE. If today is your first time of coming to my YouTube channel or seeing my face, you're welcome. So how you guys doing? How you guys holding up for the summer? Because we are indeed together, okay? So today's video is a review. It's a jewelry review, okay? The company reached out to me to do a review about their product, and the company name is called Ana Luisa, and all their pieces are handcrafted. Their price rate start from $39. We're kind enough to let me choose 3 amazing items I love, and I'm here to show you the products because I'm in my hashtag hot girl summer season, okay? And first of all, let's talk about the packaging. This is how it came, okay? Portable, okay? And you can see the logo here, the name of the company. Snap this open like this. It came in here. I got these dainty bracelets. Girl, we are in the summer, and this is a look. Okay, this is the look. Let me put it on. So I have it on now. Look how dainty it is. It's like I'm here, you're seeing me, okay? And their jewelry, the Ana Luisa jewelry, is for the everyday woman, everyday girl. It's for all occasions, okay? So you can wear it as casual, and you can wear it as an elegant wear, okay? The next piece I have here is the necklace. So like the necklace that goes with this bracelet. You can profit at this moment because they are having their summer sale. All the items they have in their website right now is 20% off. So you can take advantage of that and go shop for your girlfriends or your family members, okay? And I'll put the link of the website on my description bar. So please click on the description bar, it will take you direct to the website. Also, I will insert some picture of the website on my screen. Let me put this necklace on and show you what I'm talking about. So they wrap it here so that it will not tangle. Brilliant, okay, brilliant. So that when you have your item, you have it intact without tangling. So I just want to point that out. That is brilliant, okay? Dainty and beautiful it is. I always wanted something like this, with a bracelet like this. Okay, so look, I have it in a choker. Look at the bracelet. Can you see how delicate? See the necklace? And fun fact about this necklace, I'm wearing it as a choker right now. Let me show you something real quick. 2 ways you can wear this necklace, right? Bam. You look? See, 2 ways you can wear this choker necklace. Same necklace, different ways, okay? So you need to take advantage of this summer sales they have now, and click on my description bar, okay? And then you will enjoy the beauty. If you know wearing dainty necklaces and bracelets, earrings, I know your style, they have the hair style as well, like long length, they have it all, okay? So just click on my description bar, and then you will see what I'm talking about. I'm not just raving for nothing. I'm showing you all the angles. As delicate as it is, it's so easy to put on. Just look how this necklace just elevates my outfit right now. Am I giving you the summer vibe yet? And the third item I got, drum roll, is this beauty here. Because I have the dainty bracelet, so I need something a little chunky to like boost it, like give you the you know what I'm saying? So has a little note here written, your jewelry has been handcrafted to last, okay? So let me put it on and show you what I'm working with. Here, okay, so look. And they all have adjustable strap, okay? Look, this one too, like the necklace as well. So I have the necklace and 2 bracelets, okay? They have a lot of items. They have earrings, rings, the length, big, small, so they have it all. There is everything for everybody, okay? So let me change it back to how it's supposed to be. So It's like this. And please do not forget to check my description bar. You'll see the link there and click so that it will take you to the website direct. Okay, and if you've watched to this point, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing, give this video a like, and also leave a comment down below in the comment section. And you can as well share this video, okay, so that whoever wants to elevate their jewelry collection, they can see this video as well. Right now they're having their summer sale, so they can profit from that. So that's the end of this video. See you on my next video. Bye.